Bro, you know what I was like wondering recently?
What?
Like, if like we yawn, do you think like deaf people think we're screaming? Because they can't hear the sound. So when you see somebody yawn, what does that indicate to you?
Well, let me see. Let me see. Is he yawning or is he
It
yelling?
looks like he's yelling. Does that not look like a yell?
Okay, this one's definitely yawn. Fucking
Okay, yeah, but the
cartoon
hand
ass
gesture. But if you're
yawn.
just yawning without putting
Oh.
your hand, like, be for real.
But is he yawning or is he yelling? Like, you got a good point.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. And when you're a deaf person, you can't tell.
Oh yeah, if you're deaf, you can't tell at all.
Like, imagine you're deaf and you're trying to get through a school shooting.
Okay, dog. What are you even saying, dude?